Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you very quickly what I just received yesterday. Light Elegance products, and I got their hard gel kit, and I also got their acrylic apex kit, and I'm gonna quickly show you what they are. So these come, the hard gel kit comes with Perfect White, Pink Builder, One Step, and Extreme. The Perfect White, let's look at it quickly. It is a self-leveling, pretty bright white. It flows. It's almost like a paint on white. It also comes with a One Step, which is One Step. It's also leveling. It's a really good gel, actually. I've used it in the past. It's clear. Extreme, which is a little bit thicker, but also self-leveling. It's warm in this room, so it kind of flows, but not too quickly. And a Pink Builder. And you can see I dug into it already because I made a little swatch. And that's what it looks like. It's beautiful, actually. And one thing about the Light Elegance that I notice is that they cure really nice and bright. They don't have that yellow tinge to them. And so this also came with Super Shiny and Tack, which is the bonding agent. And also with their cleanser, which I really like. I've actually used their cleanser in the past. It's very simple, very effective. It doesn't have any smell to it. It doesn't have any colors to it. So it creates a nice clean surface for the nails. I also got these. I got the Soft Pink Extreme and Natural Fiber. And Soft Pink Extreme, I got Pink Extreme. Look how nice it is. It's a baby pink. And let's compare these two. So I made a swatch. It's like a very light milky pink. Oh my god, I'm crazy about these colors. So I can't wait to use this one. And I will also show you the Natural Fiber, and it's a soft white. It's this. It's a beautiful natural color for nice extension. Beautiful. It also is slightly self-leveling. I actually got two samples, so one of them is open. There you go. See, it has that kind of a little bit yellowish tinge. It's a really nice kind of a natural shade. Okay, very quickly, I will show you the acrylic as well. So here's the acrylic, the 4 powders, and their acid primer, and also super shiny. Okay, I didn't show you the super shiny because super shiny is their top coat, but look at this. Yes, that's the perfect brush. And you have no idea, this just absolutely made my day. This made my day. Okay, so these 4, I swatched very quickly. So you can see the colors. So this is the bright white. I'll just do it against my skin. Bright white. This is their clear, super nice and clear. This is Cover Pink. It's kind of more like a peach, to be honest with you, but very nice. And this is their blush, which kind of is almost like this color mixed with clear. Almost has a hint of that Cover Pink. What I like about this is that the monomer came with this 2 ounces, isn't it, or 1 ounce? Can't see. Doesn't say here. Looks like 2 ounces, right? And this one is not too purple, which is nice, because sometimes the whites I find, I don't know, they have too much purple and they just kind of look a little weird. So, and this is with the super shiny on top of it. Okay, that's it. That's all I got. I will be working with these gels over the weekend. Very quickly, I have to run. I have a client now. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye.